We want to find the equation of a line given the slope of the line and a point that lies on the line with coordinates x1 and y1. We solved this problem using a method in the previous video. In this video, we want to solve it using a second approach. To solve this problem, we consider an arbitrary point on the line with unknown coordinates of x and y. Let's call it P. So P has the coordinate of x and y. Then we calculate the slope of a line using point P and the given point. Using these 2 points, the slope of the line is y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. On the other hand, the slope of the line is given in this problem, which is m. And since the slope of a straight line is fixed, we can equate this slope that we calculated to the given slope. Then we can rewrite this equation by multiplying this part by m. So we can write y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. Then we distribute m into these two terms, so we have y minus y1 equals mx minus mx1. Then we bring minus y1 to the right hand side, so we have y equals mx plus, when we bring it to the right hand side, its sign changes from negative to positive, minus mx1. This is the equation of the line, but in order to be sure that we have not done a mistake in our calculations, we need to check those two given things. So that is, we need to check that the slope of the line is m and that the given point with coordinates x1 and y1 lies on this line and fits into this equation. So for the first one, for the slope of the line, we just need to look at the coefficient of x, which is m. So that is the slope of the line, and the given slope is m. So this is checked. The second one, to check that this point lies on this line, we need that to insert x1 into this equation for x, and we have to get y1. Otherwise, it means that we have done a mistake in our calculations. So let's calculate y equals m. For x, we insert x1 plus y1 minus mx1. So this term and this term cancels, which means y equals y1, and that is the coordinate that we have for the y coordinate for the point, for the given point. So this one is also checked. So now let's practice using a numerical example. So let's assume m is 2 and x, and the given point has the coordinates of 2 and 1. So for that, we consider an arbitrary point with coordinate x and y and write its slope, the slope of line, using the point P and the given point. So the slope of line is y minus y1, which is 1, divided by x minus x1, which is 2. And this is the slope of line, and the slope of line is already given, it's 2, so we equate this to 2. So then we multiply x minus 2 by 2, so we have y minus 1 equals 2x minus 2, and we can write this as y minus 1 equals 2x. 2 multiplied by minus 2 is negative 4, and then we can write y equals 2x plus 1 minus 4, which is 2x minus 3. So the equation of the line is y equals 2x minus 3. So then we have to check the two given things. So this is the equation of line, but we have to check that we have not done a mistake in our calculation to get to this point. So the equation of line is just the coefficient of x, which is 2. So, and the given slope is 2, so this is checked. And then for the second one, we need to insert 2 for x and get y, 1 for y. So let's do it. Y equals 2 multiplied by x1, which is 2, minus 3 is 4, minus 3 equals 1, which is y1. So this is also checked, which means that the equation that we found is actually correct for this example.